Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Let's go together and look on this 2001 4Runner and in which condition is engine air filter. And that engine air filter is located in the engine bay. So I will pop the hood, right? And we should be able together get to it. In this case, Toyota made it super easy for us because this is the engine air filter box, right? That entire housing, and the filter is inside. All you have to do is push on these two tabs while you are pulling on this cover up, right? So I'm using these fingers to pull it up, and voila! Here is the filter. And here is the first look. What do you say? Is it completely wasted and ready for replacement? Or we will see, right, when we pull it out. So let's do it right now. And all you have to do, you just pull on it towards to you, and you can start lifting it up. And yes, looking from this side, I will say, wow, it's dirty, right? It's always good to look on the other side. And as you can see, this is perfectly clean, looking like brand new. Now here comes the question. Do I recommend to the owner, who's my friend by the way, to replace it already, or can it still make some service? Also, I could extend the life of it slightly, right? I could use the compressed air from this clean side and try to blow this dust away from it, right? You have to be careful you don't rip it. Or I can use the vacuum to try to clean it a little bit. I have vacuum here, let's try if it will change. And I spent on this filter approximately, 3 minutes, right? I very gently, carefully vacuumed the surface. I was not getting between those, because I don't have that nozzle here. I don't want to break them anyway, that will be even worse. I believe this filter looks way better, right? And that was definitely something I could do for my friend. If the filter was really dirty, I will not do this, right? I will just give my recommendation for replacing. But because it was only slightly, right, wasn't bad, I put it nicely, correctly back. This is wonderful. The condition is improved, and this engine can be happy again. I'm pretty sure my friend will be happy too that I just saved him, possibly, right? Somebody might say, oh, it's dirty, and upsell it and replace it. So I possibly saved him $40 per part and $20 for the labor. So my friend, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumb up. Make sure you are subscribed because I have a ton of videos coming your way on this Toyota maintenance channel in the future. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.